What is going on, guys? My name is Joaquin Corrales. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about Facebook advertising and how you guys are going to be able to go out there and reach your audience for a cheaper price, okay? When it comes to Facebook advertisement, the bottom line is that the person who could go out there and reach people and get certain conversions at a cheaper price is going to win. And more than that, what you have to go out there and be able to do when, for example, Facebook releases a new update or does something that makes it so that it's more expensive is that you have to focus on increasing the lifetime value of your customer, right? Like, for example, let's say you're able to go out there and you're able to get a lead for $5, right? Or let's say you're able to get a lead for $2, which is a great price per lead. Obviously, depending on if you sell them something afterwards, right? Because if you don't sell someone something after you get their email, either through email marketing or maybe an upsell, then you're really throwing money down the drain in a way because you're not monetizing off of this person. But let's go back to $2 for a second. So let's say you're paying $2 for a person and then Facebook releases an update or does whatever and you start paying $5 for that person, right? A lot of the time, it could mean that it doesn't make sense for you anymore because before you were making a profit and now maybe you're breaking even or maybe you're losing money. So what you need to do at that point when something happens in Facebook or when your advertisements start costing more money is that you're going to have to increase the lifetime value of the customer, which means that you're going to have to go out there and create new products and sell new things to your existing audience. Now, what I'm going to focus on in this video is how you guys are going to be able to go out there and reach people for cheaper, okay? And it's actually a strategy that I'm going to start applying actually as soon as I finish watching this video. I'm going to go into my ad manager and start applying it because I'm running tons of Facebook advertisement and YouTube advertisement right now. And what that strategy is, and I actually learned it a couple of hours ago actually, is the following, and it makes perfect sense. And once you guys learn this, okay, I'm literally learning stuff. I'm learning a whole bunch of stuff, coming here and teaching you guys because I know that this is going to completely change my game and it's going to lower the amount of money that I'm paying for registrations, for purchases, for absolutely everything that I'm running. So you guys need to go out there and apply this as well. So what you guys need to do is, for example, let's say you have a Shopify store and you have people who actually went out there and bought your products, or you have a list of people who added products to cart, right? But let's stick to purchases. Let's say you have a list of 1,000 people who bought something for you, or you have an email list of 1,000 people who know who you are. Now, let's say what you're doing is that you have this list of 1,000 people that are interested in, I don't know, fishing products, right? Or making money online or something like that. And so what you do as a Shopify store owner or as an internet marketer or whatever is that you're going to go out there and you're going to create a product that this same person is going to be interested in, right? So for example, if you have a list of 1,000 people and these 1,000 people are interested in fishing because they bought a fishing product already, then you'll probably create a better fishing product or you'll sell them a different type of fishing product. But the bottom line is that you know that these people are interested in this. And so the first thing that you would do is that you would email these people, right? So you would pass these people through email marketing sequences in which you offer them the product. You have an upsell, a downsell through email, depending on where they open the emails or not, whatever. But what you also need to do is go out there and run Facebook advertisement to these same people. And the reason why is because email is one of the most powerful ways to go out there and increase the lifetime value of your customer. But email open rates are also from 20 to 30% if you have a good list, right? So what happens to the other 80% of people out there who didn't open your email, right? Either because they don't check their email or whatever. There's a lot of people in your list of 1,000 that are not going to see that email. So what you need to do is that you need to go out there and you need to start running Facebook advertisement to these people. Now let's stick to the fishing product. So let's say you have that list of 1,000 people, you sent out an email, it got opened by 200 to 300, maybe 400 people if you have awesome open rates, and you made purchases there. People bought your products, awesome. You had a good return on your email marketing, as a lot of people do. And so the next step is to go out there and start a Facebook campaign to get these people to buy this new fishing product. Now, right off the bat, what you're probably thinking as you're watching this, and if you have watched my other Facebook videos, and if you haven't, I'm going to put the link in the description. I have a video that's over 50 minutes long that shows you guys everything from a beginner to a master on Facebook advertisement. You guys are going to be able to watch that video and start deploying and implementing these simple strategies that are going to help you grow your business. So go ahead and watch that if you haven't already. But if you have, then you know what I'm talking about, and it's that you would want to start a conversions campaign, right? Or so you may think, right? You might think, okay, I have this list of 1,000 people. I just sold to 400. Awesome. The other 600 don't know about this yet because they didn't open my email or whatever. So I'm going to run a website conversions optimizing for purchases advertisement on these other 600 people, right? And the reason why you might want to do that is because obviously by running a website conversions campaign, Facebook is going to go out there and it's going to optimize your campaign. So for example, let's say that you have this list of 600 people, and out of those 600 people, 5 of them bought the product, or actually Facebook starts optimizing at 50. So let's say 50 of them buy, and now Facebook is going to be like, okay, I have these 50 people. What do these 50 people have in common? And I'm going to go out there to everyone else on Facebook, and I'm going to find people like them that are going to be a lot more likely to buy. And so what that is going to do is that it's not going to hit your entire list of 600 people, right? And remember, this list of 600 people are people that are already warm, right? This is warm or hot traffic that is going to be able to go out there and generate you the most amount of money. And so the strategy that I'm going to go out there and I'm going to start implementing right away is, instead of running website conversion to these people, what you need to be running is a reach campaign, okay? You need to be running a reach campaign or a website traffic campaign to this audience, because what that is going to do is that Facebook is going to go out there and they're going to optimize for the lowest cost, right? To get your message, to get your advertisement in front of your audience, right? So you don't need Facebook to optimize for website purchases anymore. You need Facebook to go out there and show this ad to these 600 people for the lowest price possible. And a reach campaign is going to do that, right? And if you would have asked me a couple of weeks ago, a couple of days ago, I would have told you, no, you should do a website conversions campaign, simply due to the fact that Facebook is going to optimize it for you. But when you really think about it, you don't want Facebook to optimize for you in that case, because these are a list of people that you already know are interested in fishing, that you already know are warm customers, right? That are more likely to buy from you. And so what you want Facebook to do is to get your advertisement and put it in front of these people that you told them to, not only as fast as possible, but as cheaply as possible, right? And website conversion advertisements have the highest CPM, which means that you're gonna have to pay the highest amount of money per every 1,000 people that it's shown to. But reach is very low. And so let me just go over that once again in case you guys missed it, and just so that you guys really understand this. So let's say I have a list of 1,000 people. They're interested in a fishing product. I'm gonna engage through those people through email marketing first. And let's say that 400 people on a good day open that email. So there's still 600 people who did not see that new product that I'm offering. They did not see that new fishing product, that new course, whatever. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go on Facebook. I'm going to load up those 600 people into a custom audience. And then instead of running a website conversions campaign as I normally would, I would run a reach campaign, okay? Because I want Facebook to go out there and to optimize for reach. And so guys, I'm gonna let you guys know in the next couple of videos how that turns out for me. I'm putting a ton of money into Facebook ads, as I always do, really. And so I'll be able to get data back and see the results very quickly, but it makes sense 100%. And once I saw that, I was like, what the hell? Like, yes, like I need to be doing that. That is going to work for sure, right? Because I know that these people know who I am. They're ready to buy, or they're a lot more likely to buy, right? So because they have had experience with my company before, they have bought from my stores before, whatever your reason may be. So go out there and try that and let me know how it goes. I think it's going to go awesome. I think it's going to go awesome for me as well. So I'll keep you guys updated. And guys, also post a comment down below on what type of videos you guys want to see. This is the second Facebook ads video in a row. And it's because I've really been working on scaling my campaigns and going out there and generating as much money from these ads as possible. And so as I'm going through these things, as I'm changing things around and learning new things, I come here and I share them with you guys. But we'll go back to make money online videos, starting new businesses, Shopify store stuff, whatever you guys want. post it down below and I'll start making more videos on that. I also have a list of videos that I'm just going down as well of previous requests that you guys have had. So that's awesome. So guys, we're doing a 180-day challenge, which means that we're releasing videos every single day. And if you guys want to see that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like, put a comment down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video.